Ever wondered if that intriguing woman in your life is quietly crushing on you, but she's too coy to come right out and say it? Women have this knack for dropping hints through subtle vibes, and if you're not dialed in, you might miss the whole show. In this video from Stoic Mind Factory, we're cracking open the top signals she sends when she's secretly hooked, from that magnetic stare to those effortless little moves. Get set to decode the hidden code that's been right under your nose. Today we're zeroing in on 6 powerhouse signs she's into you, all pulled straight from psych-backed insights. Imagine flipping the script on your connections just by spotting these whispers. Doesn't that sound game-changing? These aren't flukes. They're raw glimpses into her spark, blending body language and instincts that experts have nailed down. Mastering them sharpens your edge, letting you step in with that calm, stoic confidence. Ready to level up? Let's roll through each one. Trust me, by the end, you'll see the world differently. If you're new around here, hit that like button and subscribe to Stoic Mind Factory. Only about 5% of our viewers are subscribed. If this resonates, tap subscribe and smack the bell. No more missing the good stuff. All right, diving in. Sign number 1. The extended gaze. Ever locked eyes with someone and felt that extra beat of heat? It's no coincidence top of the list. When a woman's got a secret pull toward you, her gaze lingers like a warm spotlight that says volumes without a syllable. Eye contact's our ultimate connector, and her holding it steady, that's her quiet invite to dive deeper, curiosity bubbling under the surface. Studies confirm it. Prolonged looks ignite that cozy electric bond, almost like she's scanning for your vibe in return. Biologically, it's wild. Attraction dilates pupils and lasers your focus, so if hers sticks, her body's betraying the intrigue before her mind catches up. Spot it, and you've got your cue. Mirror that energy with a subtle nod or grin, turning the tide. Often it teams up with a sly smile or tilted head, painting the full picture. Next chat, if her eyes hang, don't blink, they're spilling her truth louder than talk ever could. Sign number 2, the light grays. Notice those random brushes that feel anything but accidental. When she's low-key smitten, these feather-light touches, a quick arm skim or playful shoulder bump, scream comfort and pull. In attraction's silent playbook, touch is the shortcut to closeness, no words wasted. Psych research shows even a fleeting contact brews trust, and that oxytocin rush, the hormone that glues hearts. Her initiating, it means she trusts your space, a cornerstone for any real spark. These moments aren't just physical, they carve intimate pockets that chats can't touch, chipping away at walls with every nudge. From a stoic lens, it's pure efficiency actions over fluff. Tune in, respond with your own easy vibe, and watch the connection click. Keep radar on these sparks, often light the fire before she fans it verbally. Sign number 3, the veiled nod of awe. Felt that glow of someone's respect without them spelling it out? When a woman's harboring feelings, she slips in these understated cheers hints of damn, you're solid via her tone, a knowing look, or how she spotlights your wins. It's flattery's stealth mode, weaving positivity without the spotlight. These quiet boosts don't just hype. They signal she's tuned to your strengths, brewing that magnetic draw. Science says subtle praise like this amps attraction and ties, making you both feel seen. Non-verbals amp it. A beaming nod or reflective pause that whispers admiration. As a stoic move, lean into it, acknowledge with grace, and you're mirroring the respect, stacking mutual fire. Watch for them, her silent hype might be the loudest green light. Sign number 4, the soul-deep talks. When she's truly drawn chit-chat. She craves convos that peel back layers, swapping dreams and quirks to bridge hearts. It's not filler, it's the fast track to emotional glue. Picture her firing questions on your world, weaving in her stories with that genuine fire. Classic sign she's investing to uncover the real you. Experts back it. Meaningful exchanges forge tighter bonds, explaining why she keeps the momentum alive. Catch her cues, the eager lean, The warm lilt, the way she circles back to what lights you up. Those details, they unpack her interest as much as her words. Stoical, it's about presence. Reciprocate, listen sharp, and let stories flow. Fuel those fires, and you're building something rooted, real, and electric. If she's steering the depth, that's your in, don't coast. Sign number 5, the raw share. Here's where it gets intimate. When attraction simmers under wraps, she cracks open, dishing fears, ambitions, or those unguarded bits that scream trust. This isn't surface noise, it's her handing you the keys to her inner world, a bold bid for something deeper. Psychologists nod vulnerability like this cements closeness, turning strangers into confidants overnight. If she's looping you into her realness or mining your wisdom, it's code for you matter. Studies show emotional sync like that fuels lasting pulls, breeding empathy and that unshakable vibe. From a Stoic standpoint, it's strength in softness. Embrace it without rush. Lean in, hold space with quiet empathy, and affirm her courage. This openness, it's the golden thread to authentic bonds that stick. Spot it, and you're halfway to profound. Sign number 6, the steady respect. Closing strong. Nothing says I'm hooked like her full-on, thoughtful engagement, not rote politeness, but genuine curiosity in your mind and moves. She absorbs your takes, recalls offhand shares from weeks back, and makes every exchange feel valued. It shines in the active ears, unwavering eyes, or those spot-on probes into your passions. Mind pros explain attraction dials up this laser focus and honor, laying groundwork for real admiration. It's her way of honoring your core, often masking deeper flames. Does she dive into debates with spark, chase your stories, extend kindness seamlessly? That's her cherishing you, plain and simple. Stoically match it. Stay grounded, share selectively, and you're forging ironclad mutual regard. Wrapping it up. There you go. 6 dead-on signs she's secretly into you. From lingering looks to heartfelt shares. Sparks hide in the nuances, right a held gaze, a trusting spill. They're your map to her world. Nailing these arms you with that unflappable insight, letting connections unfold naturally. If Stoic Mind Factories fired you up, smash like, subscribe for more on decoding vibes, building unbreakable poise, and owning your path, and ring the bell. Your next breakthroughs queued up. Thanks for rolling with us. See you soon.